we did Mike's bike from Pennsylvania. He ended up bringing both his bikes down to Daytona Bike Week. This few weeks ago, and he wanted us to do his Road King. We made time for him and we built the Road King when we were in Daytona. Then he had his 23.5 CVO. In the trailer, he had me listen to it, and after listening to my bike, wanted us to do that one as well. So we did the Road King in Daytona, and then when he came back home, he dropped off the Street Glide CVO to the New Jersey location. So we ended up doing both bikes within a few weeks of each other. Both bikes came out phenomenal. Both bikes sound excellent. So on the Road King, we went with the Cicada DSP amplifier in one saddlebag, and then we went with a Cicada BDA amplifier in the other bag. We did 8-inch Hertz mid-bass drivers in the saddlebags, and we did Cicada 6 spines in the lids. 1 amp bridge to the 8s, 1 amp bridge to the 6 spines. Didn't do lowers on the bike. The bike's got an ultra clean look, and he wanted to maintain the same look, so we kept the same factory saddlebags. Took us a full day to build the quick disconnect harnesses and get the bag serviceable and get the amps mounted solid, but it came out really, really good. Everybody that knows me hates that everybody that knows me knows that I hate doing Road Kings. They are so much work, they take so much time, because in order to make it serviceable, the harness from the left bag has to have quick disconnects, then it transitions over to the other side that has to have quick disconnects. There's quick disconnects for the power, the speaker cables, the remote turn on. So to do these bikes properly takes triple the amount of time of doing a bike that is a fairing or a tour pack. But we got it done, it came out awesome, it looks good, it sounds good. On his CVO, he heard my CVO Road Glide and said he wanted the same exact setup. So we did Cicada in the fairing, NBS Audio 10s in the saddlebags. We sealed and ported the saddlebags. Did amplifier in the tour pack, amplifier in the fairing. Used the A to B module on this one, and beautiful, beautiful bike. You can't tell we did anything to it. It looks completely stock. The fit and finish is beautiful. Came out really good. Check out both builds. Mike is a fanatic with his stuff. Check out the details on both bikes. The Road King is ultra, ultra clean, a ton of chrome. And look at the detail work on the CVO, from the custom airbrushing to the just really, really nice. Both these vehicles beautifully put together. He's got really, really good taste. He's super meticulous. We were honored to be able to do this work for him.
Of course, you know how they do the pinstriping on there. Yeah.
anxiety. Feeling like I'm touching the ceiling. When I'm with you, I can't breathe. Boy, you do something to me. Ooh, I'll never get over you until I find something new that get me high like you do. Yeah. Ooh, I'll never get over you until I find something new that get me high like you do. Listen to my heart go right. I've been around, brought you down, it's true. I had some dreams and said some things to you. If I said too much, I know you're mine to lose. I had some dreams and said some things to you.
Jump up,